Welcome back guys. Today we are tackling a common pain point for the software developers, which is the challenging task of writing and maintaining API code. But worry not, because I am here to guide you that how you can manage in simplest possible way. Picture this. You are working on a task to integrating your application with multiple APIs. Each API comes with its own set of endpoints, request and response format and authentication mechanisms. Manually coding these interactions is not only a time consuming but also prone to errors. Plus, ensuring consistency across different API implementations can be a daunting challenge. Enter OpenAPI Generator, a game changer in the realm of API development. This powerful tool takes an OpenAPI specification in JSON or YAML format, which serves as a blueprint for your API and automates the generation of client libraries, server stubs, documentations, and even mock servers. Meant is OpenAPI Generator empower you to automate the time-consuming and boring aspects of API development, saving you a lot of time and efforts. So let's dive in. Step 1. Define your API. We need to define our API in YAML or JSON format. Also, there are many libraries that automates this job for you. Like for Next.js, we have a Next.js Swagger. For PHP, we have a Swagger PHP. First, you need to define it in your code and then export it as a JSON or YAML format. For this video, we are going to use YAML format. This document outlines everything from endpoints, request and response payloads to authentication schemas and error handling. Step 2. Install OpenAPI Generator. You will need to install OpenAPI Generator on your system. Fortunately, the installation process is straightforward and well documented. Whether you are on Windows, macOS or Linux, you will be find instruction on your environment. It has npm brew, apt docker, bash and even hosted version as well, where you can simply upload your Swagger schemas and get the generated code out of it. I have put link of the website in the description. Please follow that. Step 3. Now let's generate the code. To generate the code, with this you need to use terminal. Just type OpenAPI Generator CLI space generate space hyphen I and then file name, then hyphen G and then generator, which can also be the programming language. So you can generate the code in following generators. For instance, here I am generating code from my Swagger files for my TypeScript project. Step 4. Integrated generated code. Finally, now you can use this code to your project to communicate with the server. I personally believe that OpenAPI Generator is a game changer for developers looking to streamline their API development workflow by automating code generation based on OpenAPI specifications. It eliminates the hard work of manual coding and ensures consistency across API implementations. So why we need waste the time? By reinventing the wheel. When you can leverage OpenAPI Generator to accelerate your development process, give it a try and unlock a world of possibilities in API development. In my personal experience, I have increased my efficiency by 60%. I hope after using this, all you will be able to feel the same. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and insights on software development tools and techniques. And don't forget to share your experiences with OpenAPI Generator in the comment below. Until next time, happy coding.